example site right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the link from the main website and you're going to put it into the link indexer. So after you have all the log information, you're just going to go set up a campaign, call this whatever the site name is. For instance, this one is Carlsbad Dentist site. After you're done with that, put in the link for the main site, then go to the next tab, which is Carlsbad Dentist Cost, and put in the link on each line for the link indexer. You're going to put the URL on each line. So just take that and put that on the next line. And yeah, you're just going to do that with every single page within the site. So once we have the 5 pages, boom, boom, we have those. All we do is then hit create campaign, and we're going to keep the drip feed at 3 days. And then, well, actually, being that this is a brand new site, you'll probably want to submit this instantly so we can get those links flowing to that site immediately. So we're going to go ahead and hit submit instantly, and then right after that, we hit create campaign. So we'll say successfully added campaign with 5 links. So we've just submitted 5 links for indexing, and we just do the same process for each site that we've completed an article for. And now that's it for link indexer. So we're going to go ahead and head over to SendWire, and this is when we start social bookmarking and posting these social media profiles, so we can start getting some more backlinks to that website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and head over to bookmarks, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to put in a title that has to do with the site. So this, for example, is Carlsbad Dentist. So we're going to say, hey, I just found the best Carlsbad Dentist directory online, right? And then we're going to have a link to our website. So in this case, it's going to be bestcarlsbaddentist.com. Oh, well, alright, bestcarlsbaddentist.com. Select that bad boy, put that link in there, and we're literally going to put each and every site, just the same exact link that we put into our link indexer. That's what's going to be put into our bookmarks, right? So for the description, we're going to have just an excerpt from the article that we wrote. So I'd take the first half of that paragraph here, put it in the description there, and if you want to preview the post, this is how it's going to look like when it's a spun article. That's if you want to spin it. In some cases we will. Being that this is fresh content, we don't need to spin it. And then you can schedule a link post, but I want you to make sure that you just post these immediately. Like, we don't need to schedule these right now. And then we're going to select an image that has to do with Carlsbad Dentist. So here we go. And this is our keyword in here for the image. And we're just going to go ahead and put that in there. And that's it. We look over all our data and hit submit. And there you have it. Oh, one more thing. Before you select any of these, see, I just made an error. Before you do any bookmarks or any status updates or any blog posts, you need to select your networks. So like I said, we have 32 networks that we're going to be posting to, and each campaign has its own specific network. So the campaign you're going to be using is Mike Larry. his personal profile. So we'll just hit select all for now. We'll uncheck this. That has to do with Janet Larry. And we'll uncheck that. Actually, we'll leave that checked. Why not? And after that, what we're going to do is then look at all our social media profiles, make sure everything is relevant to Mike Larry. I mean, this one, that'll be fine because that's just a social bookmarking website. So after we have all these ready to go, we are good to go. We'll hit Save Networks. After we saved all our networks, it's already saved and ready to go. We can preview our post if we want to. But we pretty much know how it's going to be. So this is a preview description of our post. Looks pretty good. Has our keyword in there, Carlsbad Dentist. And yeah, we add an image that has our keyword relevant to it, which is right here, Carlsbad Dentist. And then right after that, we've selected our networks, we have our title, we have all our content in there, and we're not going to schedule this link post, we're going to have it go out immediately, and just hit submit. And there you have it. Queue updated. So what that is it means that your bookmark that you submitted to all those networks is in the SendWire system, and then it's just going to start posting pretty fast. I mean, within 5 to 10 minutes. So you'll have all the data from all your recent activities here, and I'll make sure I check all these just to make sure you don't have any errors. I mean, these are all old, but yeah, see, all our recent ones have been bookmarked and ready to go. So, and it's literally the same process for status updates, blog posts as well. See, these blog posts will go to be like Web 2.0 sites, so you'll just enter the same thing, like a title that has to do with your keyword, a short excerpt of your article from here. But again, for the blog post and for the bookmarks, I want you to use spun content that has, so if you write a unique article, I want you to make sure that it's a spun article for the description. Video code, if you find a similar YouTube video, I'll provide you with some videos, but if you find one that has to do with your keyword, put that embed code in there, and then add an image and hit submit. Of course, select your networks up here first. So again, you're going to be using Mike Larry. Everything is already selected for Mike Larry, and it's these these blogging sites that are already selected. So after you select all these, you're just going to hit Save Networks, title, description, and hit submit. And that'll do it for SendWire and link indexing.